Is it about to be altcoin season? Let's take a look at this total 3 chart. So this is a weekly chart of the crypto market, total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And this is a really lovely chart. Look at this lovely 5 waves up, 3 waves pullback. If we measure this 3 waves pullback, this was a textbook, if I line it up correctly. This was a textbook equal measured move, lower. Look at this, textbook equal measured move. And even though this is amazing how it works, because not many people actually trade the total 3 chart. But what I really like about what we've just done here is from this low that we made, this equal measured move low, again, I think we made a lovely 5 waves up, and now we've made a lovely 3 waves back towards these weekly moving averages. And I've drawn these lines, but this is just a quickly rule of thumb. You can see that this is a textbook equal measured move. I'm just going to clone it, make 2 equal swings, high to low, and that's where we have got to. So a bounce from here would be a textbook bullish continuation pattern, and this would be a textbook correction. So what do the fibs tell us about what would a reversal look like? So for now, let's face it, this weekly candle looks pretty impressive, doesn't it? But if I put my fibs from this high to low that we're inside of, and I see where we are, that doesn't really help me. So I'm going to go this way and look at fib retrace levels from this swing low. And you can see that these fib levels have been really nicely respected. This 38.2, big bounce, 50%, big bounce. And here we are at the 61.8 level, big bounce. And my kind of rule when you bounce from a 618 fib, so between the 61.8 and the 38.2 is the golden ratio zone, and quite often you can go back and forward. If we were going to make a big double bottom here before we continued higher, this is kind of the ideal range to do it within. But for me, my rule is if we get above this 50% level, which is quite often a bit of a pivot level, and that's at 537, which it looks like we're holding above, then we should go at least to the 38.2 here, which is 597. And then if, as long as this 50% holds a support, we're still going higher. If it doesn't, quite often again, in this zone you can do a little bit of sideways consolidating. But the fact that we've got this reaction at this lovely equal measured move point and are now above this 50% does point to me to be pretty optimistic for altcoins and everything following, hopefully, Bitcoin higher. So that's what I'm looking at in this, keeping an eye on this chart. I think it's really useful for altcoins.